Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Collab with CNG. So today we have popped out with a new topic, National Unity Day. So we'll be telling who introduced this day. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced October 31st as National Unity Day in remembrance of SARDAR Vallabhai Patel, and the day was celebrated for the first time in India on 2024.
Day. So the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India, is celebrated on the 31st of October, and that's why we celebrate National Unity Day. National Unity Day. So the ways of promotional National Unity Day is to for the tolerance of each other whenever people are getting angry or talking against something that of your will or not treating you properly. Tolerate each other because that shows the unity between both of you. Irrespective of religious and ethnic afflictions, showing your hospitality, especially to the strangers, people who don't know you, people who are like new to the land and you don't know them, welcoming them with a warm heart that will make them comfortable, and that's going to be another way to show your unity. And giving a deviated life against the discrimination of other tribes, not discrimination of any people based on their color, based on their tribe, based on their caste, based on their religion. Anything like that should be avoided, and that's
So we can maintain the national unity by establish a national authority or subcoordinate political units or regions in the districts or the places in the villages. So for the cultural and social groups. So that's all.
Okay, the symbols of national unity are the national anthem. This song is a prayer for Kenya, and the national flag. Kenya's national flag has 4 colors, and the loyalty pledge. It expresses our loyalty and faithfulness to the country. The presidency, the position held by the president, who is elected by the people to represent them. The reason for the color of for Unity Day is orange, and there's a reason behind it. So the orange means safety and protection. So this is the meaning for the color orange on the Unity Day. So it was designed by the Indian sculptor Rambi Sota, and was integrated by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. The October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birthday.
So hope you all got a good information about the history, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.